Hey everybody, we got a Christmas special we want to show you guys today. This is Tom. You guys all know Tom. We got James holding the camera for us. Very important Christmas special. So this is what we're offering. I've been looking on the news, and I don't get news much, but on my box here, I've been looking on the news. My son, he's a victim of it. There's a ton of layoffs in the country right now. Amazon's laying off, Facebook's laying off. My son got laid off from entertainment company or industry, and it's hitting everybody. And so I thought, our Incred-I-Boxes are so economical. And I don't know how some people are, but I know when you start losing your jobs, you really don't know your future and what's going on. The little bit that we could help, we're gonna try to do this special for you. The first special is we like to say, we like to give $1,000 credit to haul in your house. So if you buy an Incred-I-Box, a 16 or 20 footer, we're gonna give you $1,000 to the haul bill of getting it to you. So if you're within 500 miles of here, you're gonna make money off it because it doesn't cost that much money. But if you're in California, or if you're a couple thousand miles from here, we just thought we could offer an extra $1,000 towards the moving of your house. So if you know anybody that's been laid off, we just need proof that you got laid off starting in the month of November, and we want to offer this until the end of December. So if you guys are in a pinch and you see your life crashing down on you, maybe $1,000 would help if you're thinking about buying an Incred-I-Box from us, and it would help you in the future coming on, all right? So that's the beginning of our Christmas special. I'm gonna give Tom the rest of it. There's 3 more things we wanna offer for our Christmas special. All right, here you go.
So the first one is we're going to do this bay window. We've got a 60-inch wide by 48-inch tall window, and this can go on any 8x16, 8x20, any off-grid one, and all that. So yeah. This is going to go for 50% off.
Yeah, and it normally sells for $2,500.
$2,500.
And we're selling for half that.
Half that, so $1,250.
It's a Christmas special to the end of December.
Yeah. So same thing with the mini split. We're going to do the same thing. Any customers on the edge of buying, then they may get a mini split. We're going to do 50% off on that. So normally that's $2,700. We're going to do $1,350 on that.
Yep.
So basically cost.
Half. Yep.
We'll do install, everything. It'll be 100% done. You just let us know you want it.
Mitsubishi, 6,000 BTU.
9,000.
9,000 BTU.
9,000.
And it's a 110. It's not a 220.
Yeah. So it'll fit perfect with the 30M.
Perfect.
Yep, and then any off-grid package, we're going to do 50% off on an extra battery as well. So if you're thinking to go off-grid and get solar, then you'll have an extra battery for half price.
Yeah, and our batteries cost $1,800.
Yep.
So you can get a battery for $900.
$900.
Yep. And we're offering that for Christmas specials at the end of the year, so December 31st.
Right.
That's the end of that special. But man, this is awesome. If you guys are thinking, we're trying to sell 100 homes by the end of the year right now.
Yeah.
And if you guys are part of the 100, we're going to draw another name and give a house away.
Yep. And then can you add all 3 to one home?
You sure can.
Yeah.
You can add all 3, you can have 1, you can do anything.
Yeah. Obviously this goes to the solar, but these 2 items here you can put on the same house.
You know, how much savings is that? So you got 13 and 12, 25.
2,500.
And then 900.
Yeah. So $3,400.
$3,400 saving. If you want a mini split, if you ever wanted a mini split and you're getting a tiny home or an Incred-I-Box, you need to get this right here.
Yeah, the rest of the world, yeah, you wouldn't believe the prices that I get fed back from customers that buy an Incred-I-Box and don't have a mini split. Well, they'll call me up. I had one lady in North Carolina, she's getting quoted $6,000 just to install a mini split.
Well, that's like doing a whole house.
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
Crazy.
A big house.
That's what these companies are charging.
Wow.
$5,000 and $6,000, and we're going to install it for $1,300. I mean, it's a no-brainer. If you're thinking about it, now's the time to do it.
Yeah.
You know, before the end of the year.
And this bay window is amazing. I mean, it's got a seat in it.
Yeah.
And it'll be, so this window is as tall as our 3040. So James builds these, and that seat, it'll be about 28 inches off the floor. So you can actually sit in that.
Yeah. Put planters in there.
Oh my God,
your kitty, cats, and puppies can sit in there and look out the window. You know, I mean, that's right. We've had people to put lower windows in. This is perfect.
Yeah. So you got it. If you want a bay window and you've been thinking about it, who's James? He's talking. We can't hear you, James. Come over here, buddy.
Incred-I-Box, this thing's pretty much contract up, ready to install, just call us, let us know, and we'll get this thing put on the assembly line, and you can take possession of it, be ready to go. How about that?
All right, buddy. We're ready to kill it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. This is a Christmas special. Bay window, battery, mini split, half off. And if you have just become unemployed in the month of November, we will give you $1,000 to the haul bill of getting this thing out of here to wherever you live, okay? Just need proof of being laid off. We want to help out if we can. I know it's not much, but it's something. If you've been thinking about getting an Incred-I-Box, this is the time to do it. Christmas special. All right, everybody. Thanks so much.